Music is an emotional language. Music can be shared and enjoyed by everyone around the world. It creates connections between people from all walks of life. We use this powerful language to bridge the cultural gap between people from across the world. Music is also more than just organized sounds and silences. Music can inspire, create, and express emotions that humans otherwise could not. I started playing the violin at the early age of 5. I was too young to understand how my musical journey would affect my life, though it became a journey filled with tears and laughter. Playing the violin can be very frustrating at times, from correcting bad posture habits to achieving the perfect tone. I considered putting away the violin for good. But as frustrating or angry as I felt, I always returned to the one thing that made me feel alive: music. Teaching music involves sharing a deeper part of yourself with the student. It is sharing how you think and how you manage your emotions through music. During this sometimes vulnerable process, you learn so much more about yourself. I get to inspire children and play music every day. Music is a way to create memories that last a lifetime. It has become more than just a memory that I will tuck away. It has allowed me to inspire children, encourage their curiosity, and guide them to expand their creativity, and has allowed me to do the same for myself, which is something that will last a lifetime.